It's the Russian Federation. Ecological camping is popular all over the world. It's always nice to escape from the real world, but sometimes a holiday can cause more stress than it's worth. An alternative to this is eco-camping. Let's look at some of the main reasons why this green form of camping is a nice variant to relax. The main idea of eco-camping is ecology and saving the planet Earth. There are several ways you can help our planet. You should pick up every piece of rubbish you drop. You should use solar-powered gadgets. And you should leave the campsite as you found it. An eco-camping holiday gives you a perfect chance to relax. While hiking, children can not only help to clean the trails and the springs, but also can see a life in the woods and forests. Children learn how to survive in the wild nature. In the evening, they can sing songs and look at the stars. No child or teenager will ever forget this experience.